Hello everyone, my name is Kelly Swanson and I will be introducing our topic of neurocognitive disorders. In our group we have me, Kelly, Morgan Foley, Tabitha Dussel, and Emily Kramer. So we have a few topics for our presentation. Our first topic is about major and mild neurocognitive disorders due to Alzheimer's. Included in this part of the presentation, we have what the signs and symptoms are. What are the related disorders, which you will find that the related disorders are related to each other in a few of the different disorders that we have included in our presentation. And then I've included the DSM criteria for Alzheimer's and major or mild neurocognitive disorders, as it is now called. We also have a couple of slides regarding delirium. Our next topic is major and mild neurocognitive disorders due to traumatic brain injury. Included in this part of the presentation, we have the diagnostic features, supports to diagnosis, prevalence, a video called Living with TBI, in which a person who is actually living with this disorder describes what it is like for her and what her daily routine is. And we've also included the DSM criteria for TBI. Our final topic is concussions and neurocognitive disorders. To introduce this discussion, we have included a couple of slides on chronic traumatic encephalopathy, or CTE for short. For those who are football fans, you may recognize this topic a little bit because it is a great topic of conversation regarding concussions and football players. And also Aaron Hernandez is believed to have had this, and we have included him and a couple of other football players who have believed to have had this, and their brains have been studied. We also answer the question, what are concussions? And we include the signs and symptoms for concussions. To introduce our topic, I included this quote, "The ability to be in the present moment is a major component of mental wellness." I thought this quote was fitting for our topic because it is hard to be in the present moment with disorders such as Alzheimer's, traumatic brain injury, and concussion, since it deals a lot with memory loss, degeneration of the brain, and other symptoms and signs that we will discuss more throughout this presentation.